Welcome. So we'll solve some of the questions from the last year paper for CUET PG pottery subject. Now the very first question that was asked talked about the pottery style in Japan that is known for its unglazed exterior and distinctive patchwork. So the correct answer here is raku, and this is a traditional pottery style which was developed back in 16th century. The idea is it was initially used for tea ceremony with translation of raku meaning the enjoyment or the ease. Now the whole of the process happens by rapid heating and rapid cooling that gives it an unglazed structure, and this actually also creates a distinct patchwork that can be seen as you can see in the picture here, and this is because of the intense thermal shock and the process of reduction that happens. So the correct answer here is raku. Now the next question talks about the major artist and their date of birth. Now questions like these are to be learned and memorized. So Guru Charan Singh is known as the father of studio pottery in India. He was born in 1898. Then you have Nirmala Patwardhan, now known for as a ceramic artist, and the year was 1928. Devi Prasad Gupta, known as art educator for terracotta, and the year was 1923. And Ira Chaudhary as a contemporary ceramic artist, the year is 1927. So those are the correct matches for this question. The another kind of question talks about a pottery style from Islamic version which is known for its colorful geometric patterns and intricate designs. Now the correct answer here is Iznik ware. Now this originally started in Turkey, and it is one of the very famous styles of pottery where floral designs are made. Now these floral designs could be in the form of tulip, carnations, or geometric patterns even. And what is very unique about it is that it uses a very white background which is very bright in color. Now this is done by using lead, then arsenic and tin glazed together. That gives the vibrant colors. Now these colors appear in the form of cobalt color, turquoise color, sage green color, and so on. Now this was one of the design that was heavily influenced by the Chinese porcelain designs that was popular during the time of Ottoman Empire during the 15th to 17th century. So very important design. Now the major temple and mural structures and where they are located. So Mother Goddess is one of the very important figures of Indus Valley civilization. It is a terracotta sculpture and one of the very unique studies under archaeology as a part of Indus Valley civilization. Then Vishnupur temple, again known for terracotta styles, is located in West Bengal. King of Dark Chamber, now this was developed by one of the very famous artists Subramaniam, and this is located at Vishwa Bharati Shantiniketan. Now again Lucknow is where he has been associated to. Now since Vishnupur temple we have already marked with West Bengal, the King of Dark Chambers would be related to Lucknow. So here we have the choice as Lucknow, and he has been associated with Lucknow College of Arts, and therefore this is known as a art design from Lucknow College of Arts. Then we have Bhatirgaon temple. Now Bhatirgaon temple is a Gupta period temple, again terracotta design from the regions of Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. So those are the correct matches here. The last one is the chemical formula for plaster of Paris. Now plaster of Paris is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Now this is half H2O because the original gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O, and this gypsum is then heated. It is the calcium sodium dihydride, and this is heated to about 150 degrees Celsius, and then this heating process removes some kind of moisture and water and reduces the water content by nearly 1/4. So you have half H2O that is left, and then it is allowed to set and harden when mixed with water, and then it rehydrates again into gypsum as needed. So very important chemical formula for plastic. Now these are some of the important kind of questions that have been part of your examination. Of course we'll be covering further important topics, so stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for joining.